Angels and Dudes. How to make a DIY sugar lip scrub that will take your lips from dry and cracked to silky soft and kissable. Learn how to make this DIY sugar lip scrub. It exfoliates, conditions rough patches, and replenishes moisture all at the same time, with no hassle and no mess. It's chock full of nourishing butters, sugar, and yummy flavoring. The ingredients for the chocolate stripes are refined shea butter, coconut oil, white granulated sugar, Hershey's dark cocoa powder, and vanilla extract or flavoring. The ingredients for the shea butter stripes are refined shea butter, coconut oil, vanilla extract or flavoring, and raw honey. Start by making the chocolate stripes. Heat shea butter and coconut oil until melted. Add sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. Stir to combine. Spoon the sugar mixture into your mold. Then, place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until solid. Remove the solid chocolate cubes from the mold and slice each one into 2 halves. Place each half back into the mold in the center of its own cavity. Put the mold in the freezer. For the shea butter stripes, heat the remaining shea butter and coconut oil until melted. Add the raw honey and remaining vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Allow the shea butter mixture to cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove the mold from the freezer and pour the shea butter mixture into each cavity. Put the mold back in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Then remove the sugar lip scrubs from the mold and store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. To use, wet your lips with warm water, then apply 1 sugar lip scrub cube. Massage in a circular motion. Rinse off with warm water and pat your lips dry. You can apply your favorite lip balm afterwards, but it's not necessary. The shea butter and coconut oil will linger on your lips. Rub any excess butter onto the lips and let them absorb it completely for silky, soft, kissable lips. Mwah! What are some of your favorite DIY sugar lip scrubs to make? Let me know in the comments section below. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.